12,000 years ago, on a hilltop in southeastern Turkey, something extraordinary took shape. Göbekli Tepe, dating to around 9,600 BCE, this site predates Stonehenge by over 6,000 years. For millennia, it lay hidden beneath the earth, until 1994, when German archaeologist Klaus Schmidt recognized the carved stones scattered across what locals believed was a medieval cemetery. What emerged from decades of excavation would reshape our understanding of the ancient world. The builders didn't simply construct on this hilltop, they carved into it. Massive T-shaped pillars, some standing 18 feet tall and weighing up to 20 tons, were quarried directly from the limestone bedrock and raised into circular enclosures cut into the earth. The precision of the stonework reveals a level of organization and skill that challenges long-held assumptions about prehistoric societies. In its time, Göbekli Tepe would have been alive with activity. The towering pillars, now weathered gray, were once painted in vivid reds, whites, and blacks. Wooden beams rested atop the stone, supporting roofs of timber and woven reeds that sheltered the spaces below. People gathered here, not as wandering nomads, but as communities with shared purpose, shared belief, shared knowledge of the stars above. Carved into the pillars are foxes, lions, serpents, scorpions, vultures, and wild boars. And then there is Pillar 43, the vulture stone. Its carvings appear to depict specific constellations, possibly marking the sky as it appeared around 10,950 BCE during the onset of the Younger Dryas, a period of dramatic climate upheaval that transformed the ancient world. Around 8,000 BCE, Göbekli Tepe was intentionally buried. Layer upon layer of earth and debris was placed over the structures, preserving them for future generations to discover.